let's talk about things that were hard that have gotten easier in running since you started. Go with your gut. Go with your first answer. And I said, nothing. Nothing has gotten easier. And at first I thought, no, that's kind of depressing and defeating. But I think that when you apply it to real life, it's true. Hard times don't get easier. Hard times are always hard. We can grow and we can find emotional resilience in those hard times as we mature. But they're not necessarily easier. And same for running. I've grown as a runner. I've matured in my running. And I've gotten fitter. And I've gotten stronger. And mentally I've gotten tougher. But the hard times are still hard times. It might not get any easier, but you will get stronger and you will get better in life and in running.